All right, so we're gonna head over to Gene's at Autowerx Perfromance and check out some of the parts he picked up for the LS for the Rouster Roadster. So let's head on over there and see what progress he's made on disassembling the engine and getting our parts brought in. All right, so we're at Autowerx. Let's go and see what he's got.
Hey guys, Gene with Autowerx Perfromance over here, getting ready to freshen up a 5.3 for Mike over at Cornfield Customs. I'm sure a lot of people are already aware of what's going on. Seems like the internet's pretty stirred up over it, so just going to do a little walkthrough about what we've got for him. And this is Kinzer. She's going to be my assistant today. Basically, this is just a freshen up kit for the 5.3 LS. It's a basic BTR. We got the stage 4 camshaft for it, right along with all the supporting mods, timing chain kit, brand new lifters to go in it, lifter trays, high volume, high pressure milling oil pump, fresh head gaskets, oil pan gasket, timing cover gasket, brand new barbell, some new seals. The basic essentials to put a junkyard motor together, make it fresh, look pretty, run good, sound amazing, and all at a budget cost, not breaking the bank, still making decent power, and yeah, look forward to seeing this thing in that car and hurting a lot of internet feelings, I guess.
All right, so that's really exciting news over from Autowerx on the progress on the engine. When I talked to Gene yesterday, he said that it should be later next week or the mid of the week after that I get the engine back. And a lot of that holdup's just due to Christmas being in the next couple days. So with that being said, I need to get my ass in gear and get the rest of the parts ordered. So I sat down this morning and I ordered a new Tremec TKX 5-speed transmission, QuickTime blow-proof bell housing kit to go with that. And then I got a McLeod Super Street Pro clutch and pressure plate kit, a Tilton 6000 series hydraulic throwout bearing kit, and I also got an ICB front mount and mid plate, just the oversized aluminum raw front mount and mid plate. That way I can go ahead and get those put on and trim them down and adapt them to the Indy Roadster. I'm going to use the mid plate to kind of bridge the difference in the firewall. So what I'll do is, you guys will see once I get into it, but where the mid plate is, I will build an aluminum box that comes back and ties into the firewall so it's nice and sealed. So I've got those things on the way and they should be here hopefully in the next week or so. I know the transmission was back ordered, but they said it should be here by the 9th of January. So we will just see. And in the meantime, I kind of need to get the back wheels put on this car and get it taken around to the race shop so I get everything disassembled, cleaned up, and ready for when that engine comes in from Autowerx. So I'm really looking forward to getting it in here, getting stuff going on, because it'd be really nice to have this car back on the street by spring. So make sure you guys stay tuned, check out progress as it comes through on the engine coming in and getting it put in this car. And as always, I want to thank you guys so much for checking out the channel, and especially this video series. I'm super excited to get this car back on the road and kind of cover more of how it was built as I go through the rebuild process. So again, thank you so much for checking out this video and the channel. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend, share it on social media. Any way you can help us get the word out about what I'm doing on this channel would be greatly appreciated. So thanks again, and we will catch you on the next one.